there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have a little unboxing. I received my Elle Studio goodies and I just wanted to show you real quick. So here is my package. I'm kind of late to the game. Well, you already get these products really late in the month as it is, but I am now officially on break. So I'm on winter vacation, so I am super excited because now I get to work in my album. So I did bundle some goodies for my December daily documenting, and I did get the December documenter kit last year, but I didn't this year. I just picked a couple of things that I liked, and so I'm excited to show you. Here's a little thank you card. Let's go ahead and start off with these. These are 3x4 cards. Shop, wrap, and rest, repeat. There's a cute little journaling card with the shopping bag. It's an add to cart kind of day. Purchases. I like how you keep track of everything that you do. All the shopping. Currently shopping. I like that it has in-store or online. Out and about, running errands, me time. That's helpful. Moving on to the Christmas cardstock die cuts, and I'm not going to go through all of them because then this video would be super long, but just a little sneak peek of some things. I love these Santas. Look at how darling these Santas are. And the prum the drummer boy, that's cute. Here's a little scroll like Santa's list. Jingle bells all the way. I love this little snow globe. That's darling. And some books. I love that because I'm going to document my December books. Candy canes. Christmas trees. Love and joy. Oh, I love this. I love keeping track of cups of hot cocoa. I don't even know where I'm at right now because I've had so many. Merry and bright. Christmas ornament hangers. That's cute. And so there's lots of itty bitty pieces here. Oh, I love this. This is a good entry for an album. I wish I would have seen this. Well, I wish I would have got this earlier because I kind of started my album just a little entry page. That is it. And I've made a policy envelope and that's all I've done. I have not had a chance to really start my album. But now that I'm on vacation, I can immerse myself in all the album making. So there's still lots of cute die cuts in this pack here. But just for the sake of time, I'm only going to go through a couple. Here's another set of journaling cards. I love this. It says a message from your elf. That is cute with the date. Smiling is my favorite with the date on that. Hello, my name is. This is perfect because my son has a new elf from the North Pole, and I could put his name on there. And Rocky, my son named him Rocky. And I love all these little fun tabs. I mean, I guess you could use it as a 3x4, or you could just cut them and use them throughout. Here's a 4x6, the 4 main food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup from Elf. Places we found you. I'm assuming this is to document the elf, which would be great because I do take a picture every day wherever our elves go. So that's perfect for documenting the elf on the shelf. Here is the December kit, which I will do at the end. I'm all super excited about all these goodies. These are the trees and presents chipboard stickers. I love all these. Again, the Santas and the trees and the tags, Christmas presents. I love all that. I did order the Twinkle Puffy stickers because you can never have enough of puffy stickers. So I absolutely love these. I'll definitely be using those. I definitely got the Heart Stars puffy stickers because I just love Elle Studios puffy stickers. And so I had to have that as well. And all the dark green, light green, red, pink, and white. I did get the December to Remember chipboard stickers. Oh, and they have some in the back as well. That is awesome. Countdown until Christmas. Love this. Deck the halls. This moment. Dear Santa, this year I've been. That'd be perfect for Santa letters. I do keep copies of my son's Santa letters to document because those go to the North Pole. And then I love these December phrase stickers. I love that they come in red and green. They have all sorts of little sayings like comfort and joy, the little details, ho, 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 favorite tradition, joy found here, Christmas PJs. That's another tradition we do with my family. Yeah, lots of great phrase stickers that I'll definitely be using for that. So that is all the little things that I bought to document my December. I think that this will be a great start. I do have a couple of things that I didn't use from last year's that I'll be also using. So lots of great goodies to do my album. So I just need to get started. Okay, so now here is the December kit. Now, I'm so sad because this will be my last Elle Studio kit, guys. I've went ahead and canceled my subscription, so I will not be subscribed next year. So I'm currently trying to find something else that something new to use for my project life, or I'm just thinking of considering doing something else. It's still in the air. I still haven't decided that yet. So that is the reason why I canceled. I absolutely love Elle Studios products. They're great, and I really enjoyed having them over the year. But I'm ready to start something new for 2025. So stay tuned for that. So here is the die cuts, and they come with 2 sheets. Here's one sheet, and here's the second sheet. So they come with love and joy, goodbye 2024, hello 2025, favorite time of the year, today is the day, under the tree, ready and wrapped and ready, twinkle, Christmas time, cherish this time together, twinkle, December, PJs all day, which is Christmas Day. That's another tradition in our family. We love to open presents Christmas morning, and everybody stays in their PJs all day long, and it is the best. So these are the die cuts that come with the kit. Moving on to the 4x6 cards. Here are the 3. I love this journaling card with the 3 hearts at the top. I love these numbers. Kind of reminds me of like a calendar. And then this card here with a bunch of tags and little ways to journal things and stamp things. These are great. So I am excited. Here are the 3x4 cards, which is where I use most of my cards for Project Life. Let's ring in the new year. I love that. And then this journaling card with several spots to journal. I've also, I've been pretty good about documenting my Thursday 3, although I don't know if I'm going to do next year's. So we'll see. That's also still in the air. I kind of want to gear into something different. So we'll see. But it was fun. I'll tell you, I'll tell you that much. It was fun to journal a little bit more about myself and have me included in the album. Favorites from 2024. I love that. This tag here, a tab at the top with the journaling card there. Here's this cute wintertime pattern, snowflakes, winter fun. I could definitely use these for my daughter's outing. I think she'll be going to the snow with her boyfriend and her family, so I can definitely add that. I don't do snow. I don't like snow, but maybe I could use that to document her outing. Currently's, I love that in the gray. Looking back on 2024, looking ahead for 2025. Here's more Christmas. Merry candy cane with the label. Enjoying this. Simply the best. Journaling card with the trees at the top. A star. A moment of delight. In the mail. Document Christmas cards. I can definitely do that. And then I love all the different ranges of colors that they use throughout the kits. There's always red, blue, turquoise, and green, and pink. So I love that, that layering of colors. And then last is a note for this week. So yeah, this is the kit, guys. These are the cards. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment of videos that I've done of Elle Studio unboxing. I hope you guys will join me next year. And just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and enjoy the season and enjoy the family. I hope you guys will join me in my next video. I hope to have some videos of my album, but we'll see what I can get. So anyway, thank you for joining me. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.